Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here. I just thought I'd show you these. I'm just walking around the nursery. We've got a nice crop of Acers here. This one is, well, Japanese maple. That's what an Acer is. This one is called Going Green. Now, it's a nice vigorous variety and it's great if you want a green backdrop in the summer, but really this comes alive in the autumn because this foliage in the next couple of weeks, we're in mid-September now, but probably come mid-October through to middle of November, it all depends on the temperatures and the sunlight and everything like that, but this is going to flush the most wonderful shade of brightest orange. It's almost like extending the summer and all that sunshine into the autumn period, and then they drop for winter. But then that's not all with this plant, because come winter it reveals, once those green leaves have gone and they've done their autumn display, this buttery yellow or orange, just depends on the temperatures and the magic of the weather, then you get these bright lime green stems, and it holds those all through the winter, that lime green colour, and it's quite a sort of striking effect. So when there's not much in leaf, you've got these bright green stems, and it's almost like a, you know, people grow dogwoods for colourful wood, so this is an alternative you can grow. And you also got that wonderful autumn foliage, and you've got the delicate sort of maple leaves to it, and this lovely structural vase-shaped tree. So this is Acer Going Green. Get this in your garden and then you've got some real nice seasons of interest and colour. Might think it's a boring green plant, but really it isn't. So thanks very much, and I'll see you next time.